Hi everyone, wish you a very happy new year. My name is Kumudini and you are watching my English content video Learner to Learner, where I upload English content video that is helpful for those people who are want to learn English and who want to speak English fluently. So friends, I am very excited to share something, and I would like to announce one big news for those people who are watching my video. So today is the first day of our English content video, because now we already entered in 2026, so that's why this is the first video of our. So I would like to announce a big news, that is friends, I don't want to give your take too much time. I would like to say, now we are already entered in 2026, so in this year we'll learn English even more fun way and more content. Yes, so for that I have a good idea. So today I like to say that is a one roadmap how to improve gradually our English day by day. Okay, so for that I make a roadmap. I will give you the topics, and I would like to make a challenge video for 30 days. Yes friends, it's up to you. You can take it as a 30 days, and you can take as a 60 days, and you can take as a 90 days. But I will that is start with a 30 days. And now all of you know about that there are 24 hours in a day, so you have to give only 30 minutes to 40 minutes every day for your English. Then you can see drastically change in your English after 30 days, and you can check it after 60 days, and you can check it again in 90 days. So that time you can really check your English, spoken English. It's drastically changed. You can see your result in front of you. Okay friend, so today I give a roadmap. So for that, this video till the end. Okay, and if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Most people thinking after perfect in grammar, then I will start. And some people think after I learn so many vocabulary, then I will start. So friends, that will never come. That day will never come. So start today onward. Okay, so speaking is the most important if you want to improve your spoken English. Then second thing I would like to say, don't think about much grammar. Grammar is important, but when you are a beginner, that time grammar is not important. Why? Whenever you are you see children are not learn grammar first. They learn by imitate. Yes, first they listen, then they try to speak listening by other person. Okay, so for that, don't wait for the grammar. If you are thinking, listen, whenever you learn your language, that time you think first what I will say, first words, or where I use is or words. No, you start already by watching other people, by observe other people. Okay, so don't think much about grammar. If your grammar is not okay, it's okay. Okay, third, you have to listening. Yes, listening is the most important part in spoken English. So as much as possible, you start listening. You can listen any podcast, whatever you like. Yes, you listen any podcast, any conversational video, or other any story, anything. Okay, the next one is reading. Yes, I don't like to say you have to read 1 hour, 2 hour. No, you have to read. You give your only 5 minutes to 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes every day. Just make a habit of reading. Whenever you read loudly. Okay, that is also play an important role to speak English. Reading without pressure. Don't read in a pressure. Okay, read whenever you get time, at least 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever you get time, you start reading. Make a habit. Yes, that is the. So friends, other thing, whenever you start with sentence, start with small sentence, then try to make a paragraph. How to make a paragraph? First try to speak English in a sentence, in a small sentence, then try to describe anything. Yes, like your day, your daily routine, your morning routine, your evening routine, and whatever you like, you try to describe. And neither if you don't have anything, so you can take anything, yes, from your surrounding, like a pen, pencil, book, anything, and try to describe on that topic. Another thing I would like to add, that is start conversation with anyone. If no one is there, you can conversation with yourself. Yes, take a mirror practice. You can do shadowing practice. Okay, and you can use any app for the conversation with co-learner. In this way, you can learn and you can habit of speaking. Okay, and another thing I would like to say, that is a think in English only. Okay, don't translate, speak in English. Whenever you watch any video, after that try to think in English. In this way you can change your spoken English, broken English to good English, and you can change your zero English to pro English. And you immerse yourself in English only. And I would like to say, this is our 30-day challenge. On daily basis I upload one video at least for 5 minutes, so you can practice with me on every day. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and soon we will meet on next video. Till then, bye, take care.